What's going on? ArmyVetG is back with another one. Box break number 9. Yeah, we're trying to get through this quick because we've only got like 4 months left for the contest to finish. You know, we're going to try to get all our codes in. But yeah, we're back with another one. Yeah, I'm wearing gloves this time because I don't want my prints or the oils from my hand getting on the cards at all, you know, so I'm gonna start doing this from now on. But yeah, alright. Alright. But yep, hope everyone's doing good. Yeah, I was looking at those prices on the PSA grading stuff, but man, I don't know. It's weird. Like they're gonna charge me extra because my card is worth more. That's just ridiculous. Tyler, Tony, Bill, Corey Leger, Jeff Gordon. Alright, we got our silver. Yeah, we're gonna sleeve everything afterwards. And our optic, we've got, I can't see with this. Let me take these off. We got Richard Petty, base optic. And for our Elite Series, we've got Tyler. Alright, next pack. But, you know, it's weird how these prices, you know, it says like, what, $15 or $19 per card? Ryan Blaney, Clint Bauer, Jeff Gordon, Race Kings, Kurt, Ross Chastain. We got a red parallel numbered. And that is Alex Labe. We'll put that red over here. And our optic is Dale Earnhardt Jr. And Unleashed, William Byron. Is this? No, it's not numbered. Thought it looked like it was, but it's not. Well, we're gonna put that one in the back. Alright. Let's see what we get, you know? So, Baller Dental, if you're watching, so, like you said, the card might be worth 5 to 10 grand. So, if I sent it a PSA, how much would everything cost? Because they have these next week, I think it's Friday something, some kind of event that they have. Christopher Bell, and I can go drop it off, but I will have to do all that submission stuff, paperwork, before I take it. Oh, dang it. And but yeah, we'll see. Daniel Suarez, retro, silver, and our hollow optic is Tyler Reddick. We'll put him right there. In our Elite Series, Alex Bowman. But yeah, and it's at their headquarters too. They're having this Friday Fun something, or I don't know what it is called, but I can take my card and drop it off with them, but I just don't understand their fees and all that crap. It's just ridiculous. I'm like, so say like, let's just say for example, my card, that card, Gold Vinyl 101 is worth let's say $5,000 graded. Like depending on the number. grade that I get, or whatever. But we got a blue number here. How much would that cost on a $5,000 value supposal card? But I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. You'll let me know, I guess. Unleashed, Kevin Harvick. Next one. But I'm gonna call them too, and they'll probably explain it. I gotta call them early in the morning so I can get a call back. Race King, retro, and a retro silver. And our optic is Takuma. We had that one already. Metal Masters, Danny Hamlin. Might be a fake, might be real. We'll see. It's a real one. It's a real one. It's a relic. You know, we got that silver under the lights. Austin Dillon. Optic. Daniel Hemrick. Justin Haley, Alex Labe, and then for our relic is Kyle Larson, base. Nice. Add that to our collection. Alright, we got our relic. Let's see. We got a few packs in here that look pretty fat. There's 2 of them. Alright, let's on with the next. We'll keep the show going. Ooh, I thought boom. Tanner Gray. Jack Wood, Tony Breidinger, Race Kings, Christopher, Sam Mayer, upside down, red parallel, and then our optic hollow, Tony Stewart, and our revved up card, Tony Stewart. Alright, next pack. Yeah, I guess PSA has here in California, there's some card shows coming up down in Southern California. I'm gonna have to look into it, see what's going on. Ray, Denny, Kurt, and Brandon Jones, silver. And then for our optic, Alex. Metal Masters, Tony Stewart. Alright, next pack. And I'm pretty sure all the grading companies are the same way. I don't know. I don't know how it works. I'm gonna have to call them and get the load, the whole lowdown on it. Dale, Race King. Retro Mark, Christopher Silver. Oh, guess one stuck together. Optic. And our Power Squad, numbered, hollow, 58 out of 199. Yeah, we'll go ahead and put that right there. We'll sleeve everything afterwards. Nice little number. Power Squad. Richard Petty. Justin, Jeff. Ryan Vargas. Eric Jones. Retro. And then we get a blue numbered. Retro. Put that with him. And our optic is going to be Ty Gibbs. And Power Squad, Chase Elliott. Yeah, we'll put that right there. Next pack might be a fake or a real. Well, there's two thick ones right there. We'll see. All right. Jeff Gordon, Riley. Oh, it's a stuck one. There we go. And Eric Almirola. Race Kings, Kyle Larson, fake. All right, Tony Stewart silver, and our under the lights is Kyle Larson and our Opticalo Daniel. Under the lights. Alright, next pack. Might be a fake or we'll see. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Is it real? Yeah, we got a relic right here. Alright, we got our silver Tony Bradinger. I think I'm saying that. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Power Squad, Kevin Harvick. And Optic, Chris. Alright. Brad, Chris. Taylor, Gray, Austin. And our relic is going to be Brad Keselowski. Base. Let's go. Alright. Alright, now we have two more stacks to look for our signature. We don't know where it's going to be, but we'll find out. Let's put this right here because signature's gonna go right. Alright, next pack of stacks. That might be a fakey. We'll find out. We don't know yet. We don't know, but it's, you know, every pack is a surprise. Every pack is a surprise. You never know what you're gonna get. Noah Grayson, Mark, Brett, Tony Gray. Oh, we got a Marvels. Red. Oh, no. Red? Yeah, because... Hold on. Marvels? Jeff Gordon. We got one. Let's put him right here. Our silver. And our optic is going to be Christopher Bale. And our Power Squad, Joey Logano. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Nice Jeff Gordon Marvels. Joey, Tony, Brandon, Tony, William, Byron, and then our silver, Richard Petty. And then we got Royalty and our optic base, Tony Bridinger. Royalty, Richard Petty. Alright, let's put Richard over here. Alright, next pack. Yeah, I definitely want to get that card graded, man. I definitely want to get a card graded, but I want to know exactly how much it's going to cost. I Right, because, you know, who really, I don't know what the real value of that card is, but, you know, it's a 1 of 1. But, you know, someone told me, I'm like, since it being a 1 of 1, I can put any price on it. Alright, Richard Petty, Race King, Silver. And then our Optic, Noah. Metal Masters, Kyle Busch. Yeah, I don't even know what design this is in the background. Because I've seen what the checkers looks like, and the retail is pretty much plain. I think that's what the retail is. But I don't know. Jake Drew, Corey LeJoie, Joey, Kyle, Martin, and then we got a blue numbered Daniel Suarez, 23 out of 199. Yeah, let's go. Let's put that with the blues. And our Optic is going to be Michael. And under the lights, Haley Deegan. Everything's getting out of control here. Card's getting out of control. Alright. Alright, next pack. Next deck packs. But yeah, hey. That's alright. Sheldon Creed, Cole, Grant, Riley, Kevin, Race King, Silver, Race King, Joey, and our Hollow Optic, Kurt Busch, and our Elite Series, Bubba Wallace. Alright, next pack. Alright, Brad, Kyle, Justin, Kyle Busch, Race King, Bubba, and we got a fake Cardi here, and we got a red parallel, Sheldon Creed, number 74 out of 299 retro. Alright. And then our Optic Hollow, Danica Patrick. And our revved up card, Kyle Busch. See, I don't know what that design is. Someone let me know. Next, last stack. Alright, let's see here. I don't know. We're gonna find out because we only got 2 of them. Usually there's 3 out of every single box. Did I just? Dang, that was pretty quick, I guess. Alright. Taylor Gray. Noah. Jimmy, Race King Chase. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, there's our auto. It's a monikers. We got a moniker. Moniker autograph. We're gonna save that for last. So, silver, our Elite Series. We got Austin. And then Roz Chastain for our Optic base. And our monikers, auto. I think this is, yeah, gold hollow out of 25. 24 out of 25, Austin Centric. Yeah, let's get a sleeve on him real quick. Oh, wow. Yeah. Nice. Out of 25. Let's check the monikers set. That's the monikers. Austin Centric. Oh, he's the last guy, number 20. Hollow Gold, number 25. Alright, still good. Still good. Alright. That's our auto, our signature. That's who we got. A monikers. Alright, next pack. Let's finish it off. I don't want to get too carried away now. So this is box break 9. Alright. Mike, Bill, Joey, Michael. We got a rated rookie. Takuma Red. 243 out of 299. And then for our optic, we've got Austin Centric. Metal Masters, Brad Keselowski. All right. Still haven't got a downtown or one of those blank slates or blackout slates. But still haven't got one of those yet. Still looking for one. Well, we still got more boxes to go through. Alright, Takuma, Jimmy, Garrett, Harry, Race Kings, William, Kyle Busch, Silver, and then our optic, Chase Elliott. Under the Lights, Alex Bowman. Next pack. Alright. Let's go. Bubba, Chase, Jeremy, Joey, Jeff, Race King, purple. Let's grab purple. Let's put this down here. Alright. And then for our optic, we've got Harrison Burton. Alright. And our Unleashed Chase Elliott. Last 2 packs here. Alright. Alright, Danny Hamlin, Joey, Kurt, Austin Dillon, Race King, Retro, John, Retro Bubba. And our optic is going to be Bill Elliott. We already have that person. And our Metal Masters, Martin Truex Jr. Alright, let's go. Last pack. Like I'm at the casino. You know, I used to see my grandma. She used to be like this to the casino machines. You know, rub all over it. Got our statues everywhere.
What's this one? What is this?
Oh, there's our last fake card. Alright. Landon, Chase, Ty Gibbs, Austin, Centric, and we got a silver. Jack Wood, rated rookie. Hollow, Optic, Ty Dillon. And our Elite Series, Joey Logano. Alright, alright. So box break number 9 done. You know what? Let's do it. Box break 10. Box break number 10. Let's do it. We are going to do it. We did it. Might as well. So box break number 10. Alright. Alright. Let's keep the shoe going. Alright, let's get some more card packs of these out. Boom. Alright. Let's see where we at. Boom, right there. Alright, let's keep the show going, guys. Let's keep the show going. I'm feeling with American pride right now. You know. Let's go, Kelly. Retro. We got an upside down card. We don't. Tony Stewart. What card is that? I don't know what that is. We're gonna put it to the back. We don't know what that is. And we are going to use one of these. So we got our silver here. Our royalty, Bill Elliott. Optic is going to be Bill Elliott. So what is this? We got our first downtown, guys. We got our first downtown. Check this out. Oh, and it's Tony Stewart. Look at that. Downtown Tony Stewart. Woo, that looks so clean. Our first one that we got. Finally, we finally got one. Yeah, let's leave this bad boy up. Look at that. Downtown. Is it numbered? No, it's not. It's just a base. Let me double check. Out of This World, and Power Squad, Unleashed. Let's go. Downtown said 10 cards. There's 10 cards in there. Yeah, 10 cards, no parallels. Just boom. And we got Tony Stewart, man. Let's go, number 3 card. Tony Stewart. Yeah, something told me to open it. Let's put that right there. Boom. Tony Stewart. Alright, next pack. Let's go! That was a good hit right there. You know, well-known driver, too, that I know for a few years now. Alright, we got Chase, Jeb, Harrison, Denny, Race King, and Sheldon, retro. We got a blue, numbered, 142 out of 199. Justin Algeri. Algeri? Yeah. Yes. All right. And Race King Optic, Martin Truex. Under the lights, Daniel Suarez. All right. Next pack. Oh my god, that was a nice downtown. That looks so freaking awesome. It looks like little vinyls in the background, just like the gold vinyl, but these are smaller. Alright, Michael, Brad, Austin Centric, Martin Truex, Race King, Alex Bowman, Retro, Silver, Austin, and then our Optic Hollow, Austin Dillon. Metal Masters, Brad, again. It's like Brad, again. Alright, next pack. Box break number 10 here, guys. Danica, Richard. Ty Gibbs, Derek, Eric, and then we got a green, numbered, number 7 out of 99, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Where am I going to put that? I'll put that green right here. And then for our optic, we got Ty Dillon's. Under the lights, Alex Bowen. Next pack. All right. Ooh, that's an Elite Series. Haley, Lawless Allen, Richard, Eric, Race King, Brian Blaney, Race King, Silver, Dale, Retro, and Optic, Tony Stewart. Elite Series, Joey. Damn, we're getting a lot of Joeys. A lot of doubles. Alright. What do we got? Who do we got? Nice, we got a monikers, man. Ben, Chris, Natalie, Terry. Oh, there's our relic. Our Optic Kyle and Elite Series Austin. And we got Brittany Zamora, Silver, Race Queens. And our relic is Jimmy Johnson. Do I got this one already? I probably got this one already. All right. Boom, boom. Put that right there. Right there. All right, on with the next pack. Put that one in the back. Next. And we'll separate everything like usual afterwards. Joey, Ricky, Bobby, Cole Custer. Oh, we got something here. Who do we have? We are gonna save you. It's another Let's Go. Let's go. So we got Optic Daniel and our Unleashed Chase Elliott. And our retro Matt. And for our Let's Go, we've got Kyle Larson. And our silver Danica. Let's go. Yeah, let's sleeve him up. Next pack. All right. Daniel Suarez, Derek Krause, Tyler, Richard Petty, Tony, Bridinger, and Jeb Silver. Who do we got here? And our Optic, Tyler Reddick. And our Power Squad, Kevin Harvick. Alright, next pack. Alright, Jimmy Johnson, Natalie, Joey, Kyle Larson, Retro, Brittany Zamora, Race Queens. Richard Petty Silver. Danica Patrick Optic. Under the lights. Ooh. Number to 25. Under the lights. Let me see what that is. Number 25. Cracked ice. It's cracked ice number to 25. Nice. And it's Bubba Wallace. Cracked ice. Let's get a sleeve on that. Alright. Sleeve and top load. Next pack. All right, Josh Berry, Paul Menard, Dale Jarrett, Jeb, and Grant Enfinger. And we got a blue numbered 186 out of 199. Alright, and our optic is going to be Kurt Busch, and our revved up Tony Stewart. Alright, next pack. Alright, here we go. Kurt Busch, Kyle, Kevin, Retro, Jimmy Johnson, Grant Enfinger, Silver, I hope I'm saying that right. Hollow, Takuma, Rated Rookie, and our Power Squad, Chase Elliott. Alright, next pack. Might be a fake back in here, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Boom. Alright, Ryan, Vargas, Martin, Casey, Greg Biffle, Alex Bowman, and our red numbered is Kevin Harvick's car, 269 out of 299. Let's put that. And our optic hollow, Kevin Harvick. Metal Masters, Martin Truex. Dang, I'm seeing a lot of A lot of doubles here. Alright. Next. We're seeing a lot of doubles. Yeah, I was looking at some of the blaster boxes online that people were on. Like, I don't think I'm interested in those. William Byron. Yeah, it has the other parallels like the Pulsar, lime green Pulsar and all that, but you know, I already spent so much on these. And here you get an autograph guaranteed. And then a red number Bubba. 58 out of 299. Alright. And an Optic Hollow Richard Petty. Let's go. Unleashed. Austin Dillon. Unleash the beast. Yeah, hey. You don't want to miss out. Make sure you hit that subscribe. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Brandon. Jake Drew. Tony. William. Brad. And Tony Silver. That's Berdinger, I think. Yeah, I think I'm saying alright. Richard Petty Optic. Metal Masters. Dale Earnhardt Jr. Let's go. Next pack. Alright. I can already feel like it's already getting hot in here. It's like 84 degrees on the little temperature. Alright. We got Corey LaJoie, Sheldon Cree, Cole Custer, Richard Petty, Race King, Joey Logano, Race King, and Silver Michael McDowell. And Danica Patrick, Optic. Metal Masters, numbered, hollow, 19 out of 199. Let's go. Metal Mask? Yeah. Let's put it right there. Alright, next pack. Grant, Kurt, Kyle, Martin, Riley, red parallel, numbered 130 out of 299. And our Optic, Austin Centric, and Power Squad, Martin Truex. Alright, next pack. Alright. Is this a real one or a fake one? Yeah, it's fake one. Fake one. Alright. Jeremy Clements, Tony Stewart. We got two stuck back there. Hold on. And Garrett Smithley. Race Kings, Kevin Harvick. Retro Kyle Larson Silver. And our Optic Hollow, Dale Earnhardt. And our revved up card is going to be Kurt Busch. Next pack. Alright, is this a real one? Yep, we got our relic in here. We got the relic. Alright, we got a silver Ben Elite Series. Kyle Busch. And then Daniel Suarez Optic. Justin Hanley, Joey Logano's car, Tanner Gray, and Kyle Busch. And our retro race day relic is going to be number Alex Bowman. 137 out of 250 red. Alright, let's get a sleeve on that. Alright. And that's what we got right there. Boom. Number. We still haven't got our auto yet, our autograph. We're still looking for that. And it might be in here. Let's see what. We're gonna open up the first stick pack. I'll put this one in the back. Alright. Here's our auto pack. Our auto pack stack. We don't know which pack it is. Alright. Yeah, here's our fake card. Brett Moffitt, Danny Hamlin, Sam Mayer, Daniel Suarez, Justin Allegri, Algera, I don't know, retro. Silver Harrison Burton. Our Optic Holo Ty Gibbs. Elite Series Denny Hamlin. Alright, next pack. Hope you guys are enjoying these rips as much as I am. Jack Wood, Corey LaJoie, Jeff Gordon Retro, Race King Kurt, and our Race King Richard Petty Optic, and our Rev Depth card is going to be Jeff Gordon. So we have an upside down. It's an SS. Signature Series, yes, Signature Series. It's in the Signature Series. It's a Signature Series Jeff Gordon. Here we go. Jed Burton, silver. And it's a red. Signature Series red. Jeff Gordon, numbered to 99. 47 out of 99. Oh no, that's Josh Berry. I thought it was Jeff Gordon. Ha. Josh Berry, my bad. Josh Berry. We pulled a got Josh Berry. Nice. All right. So let's recap here from box break 9 and 10. So we got our signature red series 40 Josh Berry 47,999, and the monikers Hollow Gold out of 25, 24 out of 25 Austin Centric, and then Cracked Ice 5 out of 25 Bubba Wallace Under the Lights. Retro Race Day Relic Alex. Race Day Relic Kyle Larson, Jimmy Johnson, and Brad. These are all base models, so base sets. So that's one. And our what the heck? Oh yeah, we got a number here too. Number. Let's put him down here. Kyle Larson. All right, and then our Let's Go, another, looking for that. You know, I guess that gets a case hit. And then our downtown hit. Oh my God, look at this, Tony Stewart. Our downtown. You know what? I'm not even gonna put that in my sleeves in my binder. I'm gonna keep it in the top loader protective case. This will be the right move. And this Marvels, let me put a sleeve on that. All right. And then our Richard Petty numbered hollow. Let's get a sleeve on him. And top load. But, alright guys. If you guys enjoyed it, and some of the cards that I pulled, give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe so you don't miss out. And share it to others that are NASCAR fans and card collectors as well. Oh shit, no. We still got more cards, more packs to go through. I'm sorry. Let's finish this up. I'm sorry, I'm over here spaced out. My bad. Let's finish this. Because I'm over here doing. I thought I was done. Sorry. Tony, yeah. Boom. We're just gonna go through it. And then our hit, optic, Jesse Iwuji, and our royalty, Jimmy Johnson. Next pack. Harry Grant. Danica. Race King Retro. Blue. Purple. Oh yeah, blue. Numbered 71 out of 199. Chris Buescher. And our optic Justin Algaier. I don't know. I'm not even. Unleash Chase. Alright, two more. Damn, I can't believe I almost forgot those. Because I already pulled the signature and I was like, oh, we're done. Alright, Mark, Brad, Kyle, Paul, Brett, Richard Petty Silver. And our Under the Lights, Tyler. Ryan Blaney optic. Last pack. Now we're done. Dale Earnhardt, Denny, Haley Deegan, Alex Lab, Race Kings Daniel, Tyler Silver, and then Kurt Busch optic. And our Under the Lights is Joey Logano. Alright, now we are done. But until then, y'all stay safe, be safe, and stay collecting. And stay on top. Because someone might pass you. Just, hey, you gotta stay on top of the collecting when you can. Yeah, I guess when you can, when you got whenever you have the funds to do it, just do it. Don't even think about it because you can pull great cards. You don't know what you're gonna pull, so it's a mystery. It's a mystery. The whole box is a mystery. But stay safe.